This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. The coolant expansion tank and filler cap is located at the front of the engine compartment. Unscrew the coolant filler cap. Position the jack head under the rubber block on the underside of the door sill and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Position an axle stand under the subframe to support the vehicle, then lower the jack. Undo the fasteners around the circumference of the undertray and lower it from place. Position a suitable container beneath the radiator to collect the coolant. On W16 engines, release the clamp and disconnect the lower radiator hose at the connection beneath the cooling fan. Allow the coolant to drain into the container. On N47 engines, disconnect the hose at the lower right-hand corner of the radiator. On N47 engines, slacken the coolant bleed screw in the heater hose at the left-hand side of the engine compartment. When the draining is complete, remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Reconnect the radiator lower hose and secure it with the clip. Maneuver the undertray into position, then secure it with the fasteners. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stand. Lower the vehicle to the ground. Turn on the ignition without starting the engine, then set the heater control to maximum temperature with the fan speed set to low. This opens the heating valves. Begin by pouring in a couple of litres of water, followed by the correct quantity of antifreeze, then top up with more water. Add the coolant slowly to prevent airlocks from forming. Once the level in the expansion tank starts to rise, squeeze the radiator top and bottom hoses to help expel any trapped air in the system. On N47 engines, as soon as bubble-free coolant emerges from the heater hose, close the bleed screw. When all the air is expelled, top up the coolant level to the maximum mark on the expansion tank. Tighten the expansion tank cap. Run the engine at a fast idle speed until it reaches normal operating temperature, keeping an eye on the coolant level in the expansion tank and topping up as necessary. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's securely locked.